In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your personal token to UniSwap. We'll walk through creating a new liquidity position so your token can be traded, with clear tips to keep you confident at every click. Start by opening the UniSwap app in your browser. On the homepage, look along the top menu and switch from the default swap view to the pool section. This is where you manage and create positions that back trading pairs with your liquidity. Next, choose New to start a fresh position. You'll see fields to select the two assets that will form your pair. Many creators pair their token with a widely used asset like ETH or a major stablecoin for easier price discovery, but pick what best fits your goals and where your community expects to trade. When you're selecting your token, click Choose Token and use the search box to paste your token's contract address. This ensures you're adding the exact token you issued, not an imitation with a similar name. Always copy the address from a trusted block explorer or your project's official documentation, and make sure the network matches the one your token lives on. Once your token appears, select it to load the pair. You'll be prompted to pick a fee tier. Lower fees are generally better for highly correlated assets. Higher fees can be more appropriate for newer or more volatile pairs, as they compensate liquidity providers for greater price swings. If you're unsure, the middle tier often provides a balanced starting point. Continue to the pricing screen. Here, UniSwap shows the current price for the pair if one exists. If your pool is brand new, you may need to define an initial price. Take a moment to cross-reference market expectations or your launch plan before proceeding. You'll also see price strategy options. A narrow range concentrates your liquidity around a target price, improving fee efficiency if trades happen there, but it can fall out of range if the market moves. A wider range gives broader coverage and stays active longer, with less concentration. Choose the approach that aligns with how actively you plan to manage the position. Now, enter the amounts you want to deposit for each side of the pair. The interface will calculate proportional amounts based on your chosen range. If approvals are requested, that's normal. Review prompts carefully and be mindful of gas costs. If you prefer to stay active across all prices, toggle full range. This is simpler for set and forget liquidity, though typically less fee efficient than a targeted range. Review everything one last time. After you proceed, your position will appear under pool, and your token will be live for trading against the paired asset.